Razzie, a town mouse, once visited a relative who lived in the country. For lunch, Cole, the country mouse, served wheat stalks, roots, and acorns. Razzie ate very little, only to be polite. After the meal, Cole heard the comforts of city life from Razzie. When Razzie asked Cole to go home with her to the city, she gladly agreed. Soon they reached the mansion in which Razzie lived. Cole was on cloud 9. They found several delicacies on the table in the dining room. Just as Cole was about to grab a bite, she heard a cat mew loudly and scratch at the door. In great fear, Cole fled after telling Razzie, "You may have the luxuries that I have not, but I prefer my simple life in the country with the peace and security that go with it."